Hello, Future Millionaire. I'm so excited. I think I just found my next house. I want to show you something. Just okay. Before you say anything about it, I don't know the owner. I have no idea what's going on. But one thing I know, because last time I was here is about a year ago, and 1 year ago, this house looks exactly the same way. Everything looks exactly the same. And my suspicion is that the construction has stopped. They're running out of money. This is my suspicion. I don't know if it's true or not true. So this is one of those typical houses on Sovereign Island when the owner has gone insane and wants to make a statement. Let me show you. There. Somebody's making a statement. B. Mr. B. Okay, Mr. B, if you're in financial trouble, you know where to find me. Let me know. You want to get rid of this? I'm going to offer you some Bitcoin Cash. And yeah, happy to take over at maybe 10% of your construction costs plus land. That's about it. That's probably I'm going to offer you. But if you are in financial problems, I will happily take over. Okay, so people, this is how you do real estate. All right, this is how you do it. And I think one more thing, I think he has a neighbor who doesn't like him, so his neighbor purposely built a very, very small house just to spite the guy. Look at that, look at that. This is a tiny house compared to the big house next door. So this is the smart man. The number 26 is a smart owner. This is a nice and smart guy. He knows his value can only go up. His house can never go down in value. And let me just show you guys the real view here. Both houses have the same view, uninterrupted waterfront all the way to Surfers Paradise. Okay, that is as a prime as it gets. This is as prime as it gets. All right, just a good look, everybody. This is how you do real estate. Find this kind of deals. He probably put in something around 25 million or 30 million to construction. I don't know. But he will be lucky if in selling this house in bankruptcy, he will get luckily 7 million maybe out of this in today's market. Yeah, this is how we do real estate. See you in the next video.